In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial records efficiently is crucial for any business, and sometimes you need to clean up old transactions that are no longer necessary. Thankfully, QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, let's get started by heading over to the QuickBooks website. You can do this easily by typing QuickBooks Online into your preferred search engine and finding the appropriate link. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and log in with your account information. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. From here, you need to navigate to the Transactions section. You can usually find this option in the left-hand menu bar, where QuickBooks categorizes your financial activities. Clicking on the Transactions section will display a list of your financial records. Within the Transactions page, look for an option called Chart of Accounts. This is your comprehensive list of all the accounts you use to keep track of your business finances. By clicking on Chart of Accounts, you'll be able to see all the transactions associated with each account. Now the real task begins. Browse through the list and identify the transactions you'd like to delete or remove. Even though we can't directly delete transactions in QuickBooks Online, we can make them inactive, which is essentially the same thing for cleaning up your records. To do this, click on the checkbox next to each transaction you want to alter. This will select the transactions, preparing them for the next step. Once you've selected all the transactions you wish to make inactive, look for the Batch Actions button. Clicking on this button will open a drop-down menu where you'll find the option to make inactive. Select this option and QuickBooks will prompt you with a confirmation message because this action will remove the transactions from your active records and help keep your books tidy. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Yes, Make Inactive. QuickBooks will now deactivate those transactions. This process doesn't permanently delete the transactions from the system, meaning you can restore them if necessary. However, they will not appear in your active ledger, helping maintain a cleaner and more organized view of your financial records. That's it. You've now successfully managed to make multiple transactions inactive, effectively cleaning up your QuickBooks Online records. Remember, regular maintenance of your financial data is crucial to ensuring accurate reporting and efficient business operations.